Have you seen those viral videos where a burger talks?
I'm pizza, hot, cheesy, and I'll make you cry with joy.
A coffee cup tells a story, or a sneaker gives motivation. They're getting millions of views on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Most people think these videos require animation skills, expensive software, or hours of editing. But today I'm going to show you how to create them in minutes using AI. And the best part, you don't need to be on camera, record your voice, or have any editing experience. Let's jump in.
Hello, I am a carrot. I help your eyes see better. Hello, I am corn. I give you energy to play.
Hi, I am broccoli. I make your body strong.
Vegetables are healthy food.
I am pizza. I overload you with refined carbs. I create obesity. I destroy insulin control. I grow chronic disease. Hello, I am oatmeal. I balance sugar naturally. I heal digestion.
I am good food. I rebuild your body.
Boiling
Subscribe
is not a
now.
personality trait.
Why talking objects videos are blowing up? The reason these videos perform so well is simple. Our brains are use as seeing objects talk. So when a pizza suddenly starts speaking, or a coffee cup start give life advice, people stop scrolling. That's exactly what social media platforms want. More watch time, more engagement, more shares, which means more views for your content. And that's why creators are using this strategy right now. Step 1. Choose an object. The first step in choosing something that can attract attention. Example, a burger, a sneaker, a coffee cup, a car, a pet toy, a product you're promoting, even a house of you're in a real estate. The key is choosing something people instantly recognize. For this example,
I'm pizza, hot, cheesy, and I'll make you cry with joy.
create a simple script. You don't need a complicated script. Short form content works best when it's simple. For example,
I've held you up for years. Don't forget your calcium.
or
Watch out, traffic's a nightmare ahead.
Now that's
the goal is to create curiosity within the first few seconds. Remember, simple beats complicated. Step 3. Generate the talking video. Now we take the image and let AI do the heavy lifting. The AI can generate voices, create realistic lip sync, animate the object, add captions, and produce a finished video in a fraction of the time traditional editing would require. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. This is what makes the process so powerful. Post everywhere. Step 4. Post everywhere. Once your video is ready, don't post it just one platform. Upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Pinterest Video Bin. The same video can generate view from multiple platforms. That's how create maximize their reach without creating more content. Step 5. Use these viral content ideas. Here are some ideas you can test: talking foods, talking products, talking cars, talking pets, talking real estate listing, talking brand mascots, funny objects conversation, motivational objects, product review from the product's perspective. These are all attention grabbing format that work extremely well in short form content. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a way to create engaging video without showing your face, this is one of the most interesting AI content strategy even seen. The technology is getting better even month, and creators who learn these skills early often have the biggest advantage. I will put together a free resource that show the exact tools, prompts, templates, and examples I use for creating talking objects videos. If you like access to that, check the first link in the description, download the free guide, study the example, and start creating your own talking videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Hello, I am oatmeal. I balance sugar naturally. I heal digestion.
I am good food. I rebuild your body.
Boiling is not a
Subscribe now.
personality trait.